Welcome back to DarkScript. I would like to congratulate you all for making it so far in this course. I am well aware that the materials are not easy unless you have some previous background, but I'm trying to cover the most important details to provide you with a decent base in hardware. The memory module is perhaps the longest and most complicated module in this course. Make sure you're well familiar with the previous topics and that you're ready to move to the next module that will gradually take you from theory to practice. In this module, you will learn about memory as a concept, about different types of memory, the orchestration between memory and other components, storage devices, and system memory. So let's start diving in now. So there is a lot to talk about in this chapter, and there are lots of agendas that need to be clarified. So first, let's talk about what is memory. So computer memory is basically any type of device that is capable of storing information. Memory devices may vary a lot, and for this reason, we would define and categorize them using the following definitions. Is it primary or secondary memory? Is it internal or external? Is it volatile or non-volatile? What is its usable amount? Is it RAM or ROM? Is it static or dynamic? Is it fast or slow? And what is the device type? Those definitions will be discussed and explained separately in this module. Since memory is probably one of the longest and most complicated topics both in the hardware and software areas, we will divide this module into three main agendas. The first one is memory units and the binary counting systems, in which we'll be discussing how memory is measured, how is data created, how is information kept and stored, and in which formats. The second one would be memory definitions and terminologies, in which we will become more familiar with terms like RAM, ROM, BIOS, and different storage methods. The third one would be types of memory and their functions. In this part, we'll be discussing different types of memory devices, modules, technologies, and functionalities they have compared to others.